Hi, my name is Maren Dolva and I'm the head of SCADA and cybersecurity at Peakwind.
Yeah, and also hi from my side. I'm Garske. I'm the responsible business director for all IT security and privacy business at Lufthansa Industry Solutions.
We're both very excited to have the opportunity to come and discuss how we can maintain safe, secure and cyber resilient operations in the wind sector during the 5th annual O&M conference in Hamburg in February. We look forward to combining Peakwind's operational experience from the wind sector
and the experience of Lufthansa Industry Solutions from the aviation sector, which is highly regulated for so many years. And so we want to bring you insights for the new cyber regulation NIS2 and how to get along with that.
We'll provide actionable steps that you as an organization can take to ensure compliance with the relevant regulations. See you in Hamburg.
See you.